Mountains teach us how tiny we are compared to the vastness of nature. It fills our heart with tranquil happiness. If it is a trek within the mountains of Kashmir, then each and every moment becomes wonder in itself. Snow-capped mountains on one side and lush green valleys on the other side. Rolling streams, flower-filled meadows, and of course the emerald green lakes. So now we are on the Kashmir Great Lakes trek, which is one of the most beautiful treks in India. The trek starts from Sitkadi, the base camp few kilometers away from Sonamarg. Morning in the base camp already sets a true mood for our next 7 days trek. Sindh river is flowing by the side of our base camp and we can get a clear glimpse of Thajiwas glacier from here. Already we are getting the charm of Kashmiri valleys. Finally, our day 1 starts with a gradual ascent towards the meadows of Shekdur. This place is surrounded by different types of tree species like pine, boxwood, Deodar and Dogwood. The gypsy houses and tents could be seen around the meadow. Most of the other treks offer some exquisite views after few days of walk. But here, one will experience the breathtaking beauty from the starting day. This mountain spot is a beautiful campsite too, and the place is named Tabletop. We cross a small forest, then a river arrives within the mountainous valley. Our last stage of day 1 is a walk through a rocky bed, keeping the Nichnai river by our side. The humming sound of river, upcoming rain clouds and the tossing heads of wildflowers, as if they are welcoming us on the lap of Mother Nature. By 5 o'clock in the evening, we complete our day 1 and reach Nichnai campsite. And guess what? A magical sunset is waiting for us now. The sun is ready to set, creating a fiery mood of the sky. These all things were enough to end our day 1 with a broad smile on our faces.
We have reached finally!
ভাই ট্রেন থেকে জীবনে এত খুশি কোনোদিন হয়নি আমার ট্রেনটা কাঁদছিল জলও আছে
Hello! Hello, Swag! Hello! Hello! कैसा है Swag?
ठीक ही है और क्या
Tomorrow is going to be another day of thrilling adventure, exploring different types of landscapes and also to breathtaking alpine lakes. Our second day starts with a soothing cloudy morning. Due to some drizzle of last night, the whole campsite is filled with tiny droplets of water. While trekking, one gets to know how people out there are working so hard in extreme situations to lead their lives without any complaint. Sometimes it feels they are much happier than us and enjoying their lives to its fullest. Maybe nature itself is there to protect them. Now as the sun is in its full bloom, we are set to start our trek. Boulder's small river crossing is on the way, and of course the rocky path becomes our partner. Small breaks within our trek is the time of astonishment. Every time we stop, we discover new surprises. It can be a green valley that we have just crossed, or maybe the upcoming mountains that are waiting for us. It feels really amazing when you can see the mountains from far and suddenly you are standing in front of the mountains. Nichnai Pass arrives and the toughest part of the trek is over. The herd of sheep grazing on slopes, small meadows, gypsy houses and the mountain range of Janskar is visible from Nichnai Pass. The mountains seclude me from the rest of the world. I am on my own with nobody else in sight. Just nature and only nature. I am not alone though. The sounds of nature gives me a welcoming feel. There are no roads, buildings or any type of infrastructure. There is only a path leading me through the wild and finally to my destination. Now I am accepted by nature and can continue my journey. o'clock in the evening, we are in our camp at Vishnasar. Evening here ended up with a rush of clouds. We were experiencing an interesting structure of mountains, look-alike as Dolomites, and of course the Vishnasar lake itself. The sun laid down, the sky turned into a blue palette. The pristine beauty of the lakes created dreamy tone and takes all our tiredness away. Now we call it a day.